Today is Wednesday, Parashat Chukat-Balak. So we're going to read two parashiot this coming Shabbat, and the Haftarah that we'll read will be the Haftarah for Parashat Balak. The Haftarah is from the book of Micha, which is a prophet, and at the end of that Haftarah, there is a pasuk that summarizes what does Hashem ask of you. In other words, if you were to look for the main values that Hashem wants you to have, the pasuk at the end of the Haftarah tells us what Hashem asks of you. And this is what it says, Ma tov, what is good, Uma Hashem doresh mimecha. What does Hashem ask of you? Ki im asot mishpat, ve'ahavat chesed, ve'atzna lechet im Elokecha. So three things. Asot mishpat, to be honest, to be judge, not to abuse people, not to take advantage of people, to make sure that the laws between people are observed, that people do not take advantage of others. That's the idea of mishpat, to be fair and honest and straight, and make sure that in society there is that type of law and order and people not taking advantage of each other. That's number one. Number two, ahavat chesed. What is ahavat chesed? Is to love, to do kindness. When it spoke about mishpat, which is judgment, honesty, it says to be honest, to do what is right. When it comes to chesed, it doesn't just say to do chesed, to do acts of kindness, but it takes it a notch up higher than that. It says ahavat chesed, to love chesed, to love to do kindness, not to do it as something that is to take a load off your shoulder, just because you have to. No, but to love chesed, to do kindness with passion and enthusiasm and love for the act, the fact that you're doing chesed, that you're helping others in need, that you're doing for other people, that you're giving, to give with an attitude of joy in the giving. That comes through the love of giving. So ahavat chesed. And finally, hatzna lechet im Elokecha, to be modest and humble, whether modest and humble in dress, in action, not to be flashy, not to show off. So it's an important value to have that important value of not bragging and being flashy and showing off, but rather to be modest and discreet. That's an important value. So these are the three things that the prophet Micha tells us. This is what Hashem asks of you: asot mishpat, ahavat chesed, ve'atzna lechet im Hashem Elokecha. So to have honesty, to love kindness, and to be humble and modest. Baruch Adonai le'olam. Amen ve'amen.